First, go to your Start menu and type in Registry Editor. Click on it and hit Yes when the UAC prompt appears. In the Registry Editor, follow this path exactly. Open HKEY Local Machine. Expand System. Expand Current Control Set. Expand Control. Click on Graphics Drivers. Right-click on the blank space in the right panel. Select New. DORD, 32-bit. Value. Name it TDR Delay, exactly like this, with the same uppercase and lowercase letters. Press Enter. Double-click TDR Delay. Under Base, select Decimal. Then set the value data to 90 and click OK. Right-click on the blank space again. Choose New. DORD, 32-bit, Value. Name this one TDRD-DI, Delay. Again, double-click it, select Decimal as the base, and enter 90 as the value data. Click OK. After creating both values, simply restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it. Once your PC restarts, the exception access violation error should be resolved. This fix works by extending the timeout delay for graphics drivers, which can prevent crashes related to GPU processing in Unreal Engine 5. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick fixes and gaming support. Thanks for watching.